Day 2 at the South Florida Fair. I'm starting out with the ice cream cone. I get the bacon wrap bacon every day. I got a pickle from the pickle stand. I got a blue raspberry dip cheesecake. This is one of my favorites. It's so fruity.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the Pirates of the Colombian Caribbean. Ariel